Look how fast that opens compared to right before. Pops right open. So the trick is, I'll show you it without all my fingers in there. So you loosen these two screws up just enough to be able to pick up this clip up and this gear up enough not to be touching this gear here. So the whole system kind of, what would you call it? Kind of, well, I wouldn't say deactivates, but the whole system loosens. And nothing is like, you know, kind of in function. So once you pick this up with a spring, everything kind of pops open. Make sure the door is closed when you do the spring thing. So now, when everything is loose, you kind of lift this enough to kind of deactivate this whole system, and then you turn towards, I guess, when you're looking at it towards the right. You turn until the spring has a nice tightness to it, and then you push it down to kind of set everything back into place. Push the clip down, screw everything, screw the two little screws in, and then look how nice and easy that opens. So, like I said, if you have a bad door, it's one of two things. Either the little spring here has lost the tension, so you have to put the tension back, or like I said here, the gear is just broken. One of the little gears broken. It has, like I said, like a little plastic piece that turns on, and once that goes, it's broken. You can't refix that. It's unfortunate. They should have made that. If they wanted to use gears like this, they should have made it in like metal or something, so these things don't break as easily. So let's put everything back together again. Because sometimes, even though you tighten it, it might need a little more tightening. Just because, you know, you put all the covers back, all the screws back, and just sometimes, in rare occasions, it needs that. Okay, that's closed. Let's put those guys back. Okay, that's back. So let's try putting these covers back on and see how it reacts. There you go. Then I'll close it up by myself. Once I know it's working properly, I'll end up closing it myself. So all the covers are in place, and look how nicely that opens. So that's a little trick for these guys. If anyone has any and is having an issue with the door opening, that's one way to fix it. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and like I said, I'll definitely have some scrapping videos up soon. And also like and subscribe. If you guys have any suggestions on what to scrap, let me know.